was a wretch. I remember who I was. I was lost, I was blind, I was running out of time. Sin separated, the bridge was far too wide. But from the far side of the chasm, you held me in your side. So you made a way across the great divide, left behind heaven's throne to build it here inside. And there at the cross, you have paid the debt I owe, broke my chains, freed my soul. For the first time I had hope. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, it has washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life. You brought me from the darkness into glorious light. So you took my place, laid inside my tomb of sin. You were buried for 3 days, and then you walk right out again. Now death has no sting, and the life has no end. For I have been transformed by the blood of the Lamb. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, it has washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life. You brought me from the darkness into glorious light. There's nothing stronger but the wonder-working power of the blood that calls the sons and daughters. We are ransomed by our Father through the blood. There is nothing stronger to the wonder-working power of the blood. That calls the sons and daughters. We are ransomed by our Father through the blood. Thank you, Jesus, for the blood applied. Thank you, Jesus, that washed me white. Thank you, Jesus, you have saved my life. You brought me from the darkness into glorious light. Glory to His name. Glory to His name. There to my heart was the blood applied. Glory to listening.